Welcome to my TechLK YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to install Active Directory on Windows Server 2019. In this lab I'm using Windows Server 2019 on VMware Workstation 16 Pro. Before you install Active Directory services, you should change the computer name appropriately. The name you have to choose according to your organization or working environment. In this case I'm renaming the server as DC1. After you rename you have to restart the server. Then only the server name will change. After you rename the server, you have to give static IP address to the server according to your network. Please note you should give a static IP address for this server. Otherwise, it will be a little difficult to manage. In industry as a best practice you have to follow those steps. Primary DNS you have to give the server IP address, because Active Directory service is running with DNS. Secondary DNS address you can set up any DNS service provider's IP address such as Google, Cloudflare, Amazon Route 53, etc. Now, you can start installing the Active Directory domain services role. There is two ways to install roles on a Windows server. Directly you can install from the Server Manager window under the Configure this local server, Add roles and features, or go to Manage Add role. Please follow those steps. You have to install Active Directory domain services with DNS service. After install the roles, you have promote this server as an Active Directory domain server. Click the flag icon and click Promote this server like domain controller. You can have three choices here. Now you can add the domain controller to the existing domain, or you can add the domain to the existing forest. But please note, if you are going to create a new domain controller with the forest, you have to select Add a new forest feature. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a new forest. Please follow the steps as per the video. In Domain Controller option window. If you are having old Windows Server version in your working environment, you have to choose the domain functional level accordingly. For example, think if you are having Windows Server 2012 in your working environment, you have to choose domain function level Windows Server 2012. Then only it will support a new domain controller. This is very important. Keep it in your mind. This is the brand new Active Directory Administrative Center on Windows Server 2019. Here you can add users, you can manage groups, policies, and more. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button for more tutorials.